That last video lit a fire under me. I got all my wood sorted, all my projects ready to go. I've got ideas all laid out, set up a better workstation with better lighting, and gave everything a good dusting. So what looked like this now looks like this. And what looked like this now looks like this. I also want to do a video called 2 Biggest Secrets of Wood Carving. So don't forget to like and share and subscribe and help me keep this thing going. I am super excited to get a whole bunch of whittling done and complete a bunch of projects that have just been hanging out forever. Wish me luck. Thanks for watching.